In the digital age, data is the driving force behind successful business strategies. Understanding customer behavior, optimizing inventory management, and making data-driven decisions are essential for retailers seeking to thrive in a competitive marketplace. Shopify POS recognizes the importance of data analysis and offers a powerful suite of analytics tools that empower retailers to gain valuable insights. In this video, we will explore the significance and benefits of data analysis in Shopify POS, showcasing how it enables retailers to uncover hidden patterns, make informed decisions, and drive business growth. Comprehensive sales analysis. Understanding sales performance is crucial for retailers to identify trends, measure success, and optimize strategies. Shopify POS provides retailers with comprehensive sales analysis tools that allow them to delve into key metrics such as total sales, average order value, and sales by product or category. Through intuitive dashboards and reports, retailers can gain a deeper understanding of their sales patterns. They can identify their best-selling products, pinpoint peak sales periods, and analyze customer buying behavior. Armed with these insights, retailers can make data-driven decisions to optimize pricing, promotional strategies, and product assortment, ultimately driving higher sales and profitability. Customer insights and segmentation. Shopify POS's analytics features enable retailers to gain valuable insights into their customer base. Retailers can analyze customer data, including demographics, purchase history, and order frequency, to uncover valuable trends and patterns. By segmenting their customer base, retailers can identify high-value customer segments, understand their preferences, and tailor marketing strategies accordingly. For example, retailers can create targeted email campaigns or personalized promotions for specific customer groups, increasing the likelihood of engagement and conversion. Furthermore, customer analytics empower retailers to identify and address customer churn. By analyzing customer behavior and identifying patterns associated with churn, retailers can proactively implement retention strategies to reduce attrition and foster long-term customer loyalty. Inventory management optimization. Efficient inventory management is crucial for retailers to maintain optimal stock levels and meet customer demands. Shopify POS's analytics capabilities extend to inventory analysis, allowing retailers to gain insights into their stock levels, turnover, and product performance. By analyzing inventory data, retailers can identify slow-moving or stagnant products and take corrective actions. They can adjust pricing, implement marketing strategies to promote specific products, or make informed decisions about product phasing out or clearance sales. This optimization of the product mix improves inventory turnover, reduces holding costs, and maximizes profitability. Moreover, retailers can use analytics to forecast future demand and adjust their inventory levels accordingly. By analyzing historical sales data, seasonal trends, and customer behavior, retailers can make accurate predictions, optimize procurement processes, and prevent stockouts or overstock situations. Conversion rate optimization. Analyzing and optimizing the conversion rate is critical for retailers looking to maximize the effectiveness of their online presence. Shopify POS's analytics tools provide retailers with the ability to track and analyze conversion rates, enabling them to identify areas for improvement. Retailers can analyze customer journey data to understand where potential customers drop off in the purchase process. By identifying friction points or barriers to conversion, retailers can make targeted improvements to their website design, user experience, or checkout process, increasing the likelihood of successful conversions. Furthermore, analytics enable retailers to A/B test different marketing campaigns, website layouts, or product presentations. By measuring the impact of these changes on conversion rates, retailers can make data-driven decisions about which strategies to implement and optimize their marketing efforts for maximum effectiveness.